Nora AI? What's that?
Hi, Hanan. Let's begin your mock interview for the product design role at Horizon Systems.
What?
Why do you think you'd be a good fit for this role?
Yeah, I mean, I like technology.
Why would you be a good fit for this role?
Okay, I'm pretty good with front-end development. I have React,
Why would you be a good fit for this role?
CSS,
Why
API,
would you be a good fit for this role?
database.
Why would you be a good fit for this
Yo,
role?
chill, okay? I really appreciate what you're trying to do, okay? But it's fine, it's a lost cause. Like, I suck at interviewing, it's fine, screw this.
Hanan, come here. Use the STAR method. Situation, task, action, result. Why do you think you'd be a good fit for this role?
Yeah, I mean, in my previous internship, we had some database inefficiencies, and I fixed it by doing some query optimization, and it actually reduced the inefficiency by 40%.
Better. Interviews are not about buzzwords. Understand what the recruiter actually wants. Think Zhao Hanan.
Zhao Hanan? Is this a training scene?
You're ready.
So Hanan, why do you think you're a good fit for this role? We'd love to move forward. When can you start? We need someone ASAP, ideally this week.
Yeah, I mean, this month is kind of hard. I have this League of Legend thing with the boys.